Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a Kirby Clash cake topper. So I kind of knew about Kirby but not Kirby Clash. So I had to research all the characters as this was a special request. We start off with a circle. Change the size to 3.9. Then offset that to 0.2 and select both circles and slice. Then delete all the inner circles and you're left with the slice result. Change the color to blue and then offset that to 0.06 and then change that to pink. Then we're going to offset again and change the color to grey, but it's actually a silver card I'm going to use. Once that's done, I'm going to select my uploaded picture. So with this cake topper, I put all my Kirby Clash images into a file just so it's easier for the video's sake. I first select a star. So this star is the background for where the age is going to be placed. I'm going to offset that to 0.6 again. And then change from print then cut to basic cut and change that to pink, then offset again to 0.6 and change that to blue. Group them together and then select my text. So this text is called Simply Rounded and age is 5. Just going to make it slightly bigger and change the color to that grey silver again. Offset 0.6. Change that color to blue. Offset again. Change that to pink. Group them together. And I'm just going to place the 5 onto the star just to see the size. Then make it slightly smaller. And group that together. Then just place it where I'm going to put it on the finished product. I'm now going to upload more images. So I uploaded this banner from Google. You just have to put in SVG banner and you'll get all these types of banners. I'm just resizing that and I'll change that to grey and then offset again to 0.6. Change that color to blue, offset again and change that to yellow. Group them together and just resize it. And now I'm going to type out the name. It's still the same font, simply rounded. Change the color to silver. Offset. And change that color to pink. Offset again and change that to yellow. Just gonna group that. Now I'm going back to my uploads. And I'm just going to select the rest of the images. So from this part, it's quite simple. It's just a case of resizing the images, offsetting, and placing them where they would be on the finished product. So as always, 0.6 offset, and I change it to blue, offset again, and then change it to silver. So I'm going to basically do the same thing for the rest of the images. So for the last part, I select the outer slice and use the size. So the size of the outer slice is 4.54, and I select a circle and change the size of that circle to the same size as the outer slice. So 4.54 again, change the color to a lighter gray. So this will be the acetate, and because I put glitter in between the acetate, I need to make two, so I duplicate one of the circles and I will now just place them behind the images, and this is how the cake topper will look. So we've come to the end of the video. I'm going to make a part 2 of how I put it together, and in that video I'm also going to talk about my struggles with Etsy and how my business is going. But please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.